Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are talking about the top 10 best growth stocks to buy for 2023. So if you're looking to add not only growth, but stability and resiliency to your portfolio, then you're going to want to check out the stocks on this list. Remember to go and annihilate that like button for more videos just like this one. Comment your favorite company to buy down below. Subscribe if you are new. Don't forget to become a member to support me so I can make more videos just like this one. And without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. We're going to start off talking about Autodesk Inc., ticker symbol ADSK, and Autodesk is a leading software as a service technology company that has a main focus on imaging and design solutions. Essentially, Autodesk's software is going to be used to model out plans for building factories, making blueprints for buildings, and other items. Autodesk has had a long and fruitful dominant position in their overall market because yes, they are a market leader, and as they continuously innovate their technology for 3D printing applications, the company seems to have a long growth runway ahead of them, especially considering that their current share price is trading at a significant discount to where shares right now are just trading at 27 times their forward earnings. Up next, let's talk about Unity Software Inc., ticker symbol U. Unity is a leading graphics engine, so essentially, designers can use Unity software to create video games, to where these video game creators can use Unity's operating system to design graphics, various interactions, characters, background elements, and many other things which will help them compose an entire video game. The best thing about Unity software, in my opinion, is that a developer can make a game for any platform. So let's pretend they make a game for PCs. They can easily transport it over into a mobile app so you can play it on your phone, or you can also make it available for consoles or even augmented or virtual reality headsets. Unity software is so innovative, in fact, that approximately 70% of top grossing games have used Unity software as their overall video game operating system. Meta Platforms, formerly known as Facebook, actually reported interest in buying out Unity software a few years ago as they expand their plan to bring the metaverse to everyday users. So overall, Unity seems to be well positioned for a growth stock, especially if you like video games. Up next, we have a favorite company of mine named Visa Inc., ticker symbol V. Visa is one of the most perfect growth stocks that I can think of. It offers you phenomenal growth and it also gives you a dividend. And what I like about Visa is that their business model is unique yet simple. Essentially, Visa gets paid upon their overall transaction volume for various credit card payments that are going through and a few other segments. So as the world economy continues to use credit cards and they gravitate away from paper money, Visa should post double-digit annualized top-of-the-line revenue growth, and their stock currently trades for just 27 times their forward earnings, just like Autodesk. So overall, Visa is clearly on my list of top 10 best growth stocks to buy right now in 2023. But then let's move on to a ticker symbol ALB, and this is a United States-based company that is a world leader in lithium production. So why do we care about lithium production? Well, if you already own electric vehicles, then clearly these electric vehicles use lithium in their production of their electric vehicle batteries. So as the electric vehicle trend continues to increase because it's a super hot market, lithium will also become more scarce and therefore more valuable, meaning that lithium companies such as ticker symbol ALB, their share price will go up, and this is reflected very positively in their overall financials. For instance, this company grew their revenue from just $3.1 billion in 2017 up to $7.3 billion last year, meaning that they are consistently growing hand over fist month after month, quarter over quarter, and year over year, meaning that they have a very strong long-term growth profile, especially as lithium demand continues to increase in the production for electric vehicles. So please keep your eye out for this company. Next up, we have Charles River Laboratories International Inc., ticker symbol CRL, and this company is a healthcare diagnostics and research company that's focused on making pharmaceuticals and and they are especially concerned for making breakthrough pharmaceuticals so they can discover new ways to treat common illnesses. This company played a critical role in the clinical trials of more than 85% of various pharmaceuticals and other mediums that received approval from the FDA, also known as the Food and Drug Administration. So clearly, this is a fundamentally strong, pivotal company in the overall economy. And despite weakness that we've seen in the biotechnology sector, this would be a great time to buy companies like Charles River, because the cheaper we can buy these companies, the more upside growth potential and value it's going to return to us as investors. Over the long term, this company remains fundamentally strong thanks to the demographic of an aging population, to where we will need more cutting-edge pharmaceuticals so people can live longer and fight against various diseases. Up next, we have ticker symbol DHR, and this company is one of the most successful quote-unquote roll-ups listed in America. This firm is primarily focused on healthcare right now, and their share price has seen, over the past 20 years, a 20 times increase. So if you're looking for phenomenal, radical growth, then this is the company for you. In short, this company acquires underperforming assets from other companies, and then they transform these assets and enhance them to maximize overall profitability. And then they use this newly found profitability to buy even more assets or other companies through mergers, acquisitions, and other things. Right now, they are playing a huge role in the healthcare ecosystem by being directly involved with various lab tools and laboratory equipment. So the long-term prospects remain bright for this overall company, and I think this is a phenomenal company that should at minimum be on your watch list. Next up, we have another company that I absolutely love, and I hold it in my personal portfolio, which is of course Microsoft Corp, ticker symbol MSFT. The reason I like Microsoft so much is that they have a phenomenal overall business model. They're super fundamentally solid, and thanks to artificial intelligence being the talk of the town, Microsoft is aggressively taking market share in the AI space to beat companies such as Google as well as a few others. This company is extremely profitable, and thanks to their leading position in the artificial intelligence space, thanks to them incorporating OpenAI's GPT-4 into their Bing search engine, this company already has a leg up on some of their competition. Microsoft has several growth factors and revenue sources, and as artificial intelligence continues to take off, this company will grow with it, and that's why I personally hold it in my portfolio along with other companies such as Google. But overall, Microsoft clearly should be in the majority of investors' portfolio, and if you don't already have this in your portfolio, I would strongly recommend you doing your own research and looking further into this company, because why not add this fundamentally stable company to your overall growth portfolio? Up next, we have Clearfield Inc., ticker symbol CLFD. Clearfield is one of the smaller growth companies on this list, and they are focused on broadband internet. Specifically, they offer fiber protection for fiber optic cables and management as well as delivery services. This company has grown amazingly over the last few years to where it grew their revenues from just $93 million up to $271 million as of last year. While growth will likely slow because they've been growing very impressively, even despite a slight slowdown, their shares are only trading at 12 times their forward earnings. And since this is a smaller company, the future upside potential by investing into this company could be extremely profitable for you, so feel free to look further into them. Next, we have Sprinklr Inc., ticker symbol CXM. And Sprinklr is a software as a service company that is focused on optimizing customer experience. More specifically, their tools and applications and platforms help various commercial enterprises manage their overall brand and image online in the digital space. By assisting companies and having them monitor tons of different channels and ad campaigns and keywords and so on, it helps very large commercial enterprises keep tabs on how their own customers are relating to their overall brands and marketing efforts. This not only saves these organizations a lot of money, but it also helps them optimize further marketing ad campaigns. Right now, the company just trades for 5.5 times their sales, meaning that they have a relatively low PS ratio, thus communicating to investors that this company could be considered as undervalued right now. And since this company has phenomenal growth and the company is already a profitable company, experts, analysts, and professionals alike see that this company has a long growth runway, at least over the next 3 years, where they're anticipated to grow at a CAGR of 15% in regards to the revenue. So overall, this company is power-packed with future potential, especially since this company and the majority of companies on this list are all profitable. Lastly, let's talk about Pacific Airports Group, ticker symbol PAC. This company is licensed and they operate around 14 airports throughout Mexico and Jamaica. And as of right now, their current primary concessions run until 2048, which would include some of the largest cities over in Mexico and Jamaica. This particular company's return for investors have been absolutely insane, to where the PAC's stock price has returned in excess of 600% since their IPO in 2006, meaning that if you bought this company back when they went public and listed on this public stock market and you bought into it when they were just becoming a publicly traded company, you would literally have 6x'd any money that you put into this company. But the good news is that this company is still growing. There are still tailwinds that are causing this company's share price to increase even further, especially as more manufacturing facilities start to set up shop in North America. These airports should stand to benefit. And this company is also trading at a cheaper valuation compared to the majority of other companies on this list, to where they're trading at a forward earnings ratio of just 20 times. On top of that, they're anticipated to grow 20 to 25% over the next few months. And if we want some exposure to this company, then we should do it now before they grow and we miss out on some opportunity. Overall, these are some of the best companies to buy on the stock market right now if you are trying to utilize and improve on your overall growth of your portfolio. Some of my favorites on this list would, of course, be Visa, Microsoft Corporation, as well as ticker ALB. But all of the companies on this list could fit into your portfolio depending on your risk tolerance and any other variables that you may have that I may not, which is why it's paramount that you always make sure to do your own research before you spend your hard-earned money on any of these companies. But with that being said, I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Don't forget to go and obliterate that like button right now. Comment your thoughts down below. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next YT video.